For last week posting, meron po kami ditong raglan. Meron na din po siyang caption and location ng store. Next naman po is yung aming organizing style or makeup po na pouch. Start at 55. Meron din kami ditong colored canvas bag. Hoodie jacket. Meron na din siyang caption, location ng store, and hashtag. Next naman is yung aming acrylic keychain. Sumunod is ang premium polo shirt. Meron siyang location, hashtag, caption. And then yung aming buy 5 get 1 free na notebook or journal. Naka-carousel naman siya with done orders. Sumunod is yung buy 3 for 350 na dry fit. Naka-carousel din siya. Andito din yung mga available color ng dry fit, size reference, quality ng dry fit, and syempre done orders. Next is yung kiddie backpack for 499 only. At yung aming dad joke battle for Father's Day. And then all-in-one giveaway kit. Meron na din siya dito mga available items and then yung kanilang actual na done orders naman po dito sa store. Next naman is yung bundle 400 na meron siyang sports jug and two-tone color. With free gift box naman siya. Bali, ito lang po yung aming na-post last week. Thank you po.